Okay, now we'll see another shortcut, so which is to split the record based on the selected records. I wanted to have a selection, and then based on that selection I wanted to copy those specific record. My requirement here is in the input file. Okay, let me go to the input file. In my input file, oh sorry, okay, yeah, that's cool. I wanted to copy the first 10 records into one file, and then after that I wanted to skip the 5 records and then copy the records from 16th to 21. So this is my record, this is my requirement, the first 10 records to one file and then skip the next 5 records and then copy the rest of the records, or maybe some 10 records. Okay, so that's my requirement. So what can I do here? Sort fields equal to copy outfield files 1. So when I say files equal to 1, it will go to here, and then what is my requirement? And rec equal to 10. So that means it will fetch this input file and it copies first, second, third, fourth, and since end record is 10, so it will copy till 10 records and stop there. So that's the job of the outfield files equals to 1. So that is completed, and then it comes to the second one, outfield files equals to 2. What happens here? Start record 11 and end record 20, right? So start record 11 means it will copy here. So what I said, my requirement was to skip the next 5 records, right? 1 2 3 4 5. So then it should start from 16th. Okay, so I'll give start from 16th and end record it should end at what? So it should end at 21. So I can give the end record at 21. Okay, so that's my requirement. So now go back and now let's run this job and see the output, how it looks. Okay, there are no errors in the output file. So now let's look at this output. So how many records are there here? Let me open this in the view mode. Yes, 10 records are there, and in the similar way let's open the second one and see how many records are there. You can see the 6 records, right? So totally we have 21 records. First file had 10 records and the second file have 6 records, right? So rest of the file I haven't copied, so because that was my requirement. Similarly you can play around with this. So this is very important shortcut I'm saying. So especially when there is some issue with some of the files where you wanted to eliminate some of the files and copy to different files, so that case you can use it. So maybe sometimes you wanted to copy 100 records into one file and 100 records to another file and maybe another 500 records to another file. Then what you can do in that case, since here I'm just taking 2 files, right? If you want 3 files, then you can take another one as well. Sort 3. So since I haven't created this file, I'll make it as new and then make it as 3. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, now in the third one I wanted to copy from 11th record to, let's say, 15th record. I wanted to copy this, so this is my requirement. Okay, submitted, ended with 0. So now let's see how many records I have. Okay, first one have the 10 records and the second one have 6 records and the third one should be 5 records. Yes, perfect. So that is how you can split based on the requirement that you will be getting. So remember the sequence of the input file numbers. So always you need to browse or view and follow the sequence number. If this is not in order, right, just type num, so, or renum. So if you type renum, it comes in 100 to 100, right? So then you need to type unnum, so that it will come in a sequence order, so that it will give you the actual sequence to write in a shortcut. So don't forget that. So this is very, very important. Sometimes we miss this and we copy a different record. So be careful and cautious whenever you are giving a specific number when you are using a start record and end record. So this is most important point. Okay, so this ends the another sort record type.